In this video, I'm showing you part 2 for the Faux Fur Jacket using Brother's Strong and Tough Serger and Brother's Project Runway Limited Edition Sewing Machine. Begin by placing the liner inside the shell, right sides together. Pin at the seams, making sure everything aligns. At the bottom edge, mark off 7 inches. This will be your opening when turning right sides out. Sew from mid-back, down center front to the opening. Do not sew the 7-inch opening. Repeat for the alternate side. Then serge the seam allowance. Gently flip right sides out through the bottom opening. Use something with a pointy edge to gently push out the corners. Fold in the raw edges of the bottom opening. Pin and hand sew using a blind hem stitch. Fold over the sleeve liner a 1/2 inch. Pin at seam and then around. Secure using a blind hem stitch. The final step is pick a closure. Options are endless.